Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best curling irons of 2025 perfect for achieving salon-quality curls at home. Whether you want beachy waves, tight curls, or something in between, these tools deliver style, performance, and versatility. Let's check them out. Number 1. BaBylissPRO 1-inch Curling Iron. The BaBylissPRO 1-inch curling iron is a professional-grade hairstyling tool designed to create a variety of curls and waves. Equipped with a ceramic barrel, it ensures even heat distribution to minimize hair damage and enhance shine. Suitable for all hair types, this curling iron allows users to transform their look quickly and effortlessly. It heats up fast, making it perfect for busy mornings or last-minute touch-ups. The ergonomic design and swivel cord provide comfort and ease during styling. Number 2. T3 SinglePass Curl X. The T3 SinglePass Curl X is a professional-grade curling iron featuring a 1.25-inch extra-long ceramic barrel designed to style wide sections of hair efficiently, making it ideal for long hair or hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with digital T3 SinglePass technology, it ensures consistent heat distribution for fast, one-pass styling with lasting results. The ProGlide clip design offers effortless control with a super smooth glide, and with 9 adjustable heat settings, it caters to various hair types, delivering soft, healthy-looking curls and waves that stay all day. Number 3. GHD Curve Soft Curl Iron. The GHD Curve Soft Curl Iron features a 1.25-inch large barrel designed to create soft, voluminous, bouncy curls. It is preset to an optimum styling temperature of 365 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent extreme heat damage. The iron utilizes ultrazone technology to monitor and adapt to the hair's needs, ensuring consistent heat distribution for healthier-looking results. Additionally, it includes an automatic sleep mode that turns the device off after 30 minutes of inactivity, enhancing safety. Number 4. CHI Ceramic Tourmaline Curling Iron. The CHI Ceramic Tourmaline Curling Iron utilizes advanced tourmaline ceramic technology to ensure even heat distribution, producing negative ions and far-infrared heat that reduce static electricity. This results in smooth, silky hair with exceptional shine. The curling iron features adjustable temperature settings, making it suitable for various hair types, and includes an automatic shutoff function for enhanced safety. Its 1-inch barrel allows for versatile styling, from tight curls to loose waves. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it provides a comfortable grip for extended use. Number 5. BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Spring Curling Iron. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Spring Curling Iron utilizes nano titanium technology to deliver gentle, even far-infrared heat, effectively heating the hair shaft from within to minimize damage. Its slim, lightweight design ensures comfortable handling during styling sessions. This curling iron is available in multiple barrel sizes, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inches, and 1 1/2 inches, allowing users to choose the perfect size for their desired curl type. The nano titanium barrel provides even heat distribution without hot spots, and the negative ions leave hair smooth and shiny. With adjustable temperature settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it caters to various hair types and textures. Additionally, the curling iron features a turbo heat button for an instant boost of heat and a long swivel power cord for ease of use.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.